Creatine is a naturally occurring acid in the body that aids in supplying energy to cells, particularly muscle cells. It's widely recognized for its ability to boost athletic performance. This is why creatine supplements are top-rated in the fitness and bodybuilding communities. But have you ever wondered about the possible side effects of taking creatine? There has to be a negative side to it, right? Short answer? Yes. One potential adverse effect is bloating. Stay tuned to know more. How safe is creatine? And don't get us wrong, taking creatine isn't hazardous to our health. In fact, researchers are constantly studying creatine for its effectiveness and safety. As indicated by studies, it is safe, hence why many health experts and trainers support the use of this as a supplement. Doses up to 25 grams daily for up to 14 days have been proven to be safe and effective. For long-term consumption, lower doses of up to 4 to 5 grams daily for up to 18 months have also been safely used. So, how can there be a negative side then? Find out more next. Potential side effects of taking too much creatine. Again, creatine is a safe and effective supplement. The key word here is dosage. You can safely take creatine daily so long as you're within the safe range, but larger doses may result in some adverse effects. Albeit rare and minor, here are the possible side effects of taking too much creatine daily you might want to consider. Before we move on, a like would be awesome. Number 1. Bloating. Creatine loading can result in a significant weight gain as this acid tends to pull water into the muscle cells. Although harmless, this increase in body weight may cause bloating. Although not everyone becomes bloated when taking the supplement, you can reduce the chances of it happening by skipping the loading phase and taking the daily maintenance dose of 3 to 5 grams instead. Stomach comfort is also a minor adverse effect of too much creatine. Discover more here. Number 2. Stomach discomfort. In a study on athletes who were supplemented with 10 grams of creatine in a single serving, it was found that they experienced stomach upset, belching, and diarrhea. On the other hand, those who took a 2 to 5 gram single dose did not experience the same side effects. Therefore, if you wish to follow the loading protocol and also avoid these side effects, simply split the 20 to 25 grams of creatine into 4 to 5 equal doses throughout the day. Number 3. Digestive concerns. As with many supplements or medications, excessive doses of creatine may also result in digestive issues such as diarrhea. For instance, based on a study, a 10-gram dose per day increased the diarrhea risk by 56%. As such, the recommended serving is 3 to 5 grams. And as we've mentioned before, the 20-gram loading protocol is highly recommended to be split into 4 servings. How creatine affects kidneys and liver. The kidney excretes creatinine, which is a breakdown product of creatine. However, taking creatine supplements can slightly increase the creatine levels in your blood. Thankfully, this rise in creatine does not translate to harming your kidneys or liver. Presently, there's no published study of creatine use in healthy persons that have shown evidence of harm to these 2 organs. Are you the type to be overly conscious of your health and want to take creatine as naturally as possible? You definitely can by focusing your diet more on creatine-rich foods. Click here to find out what these are.